Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time on my channel, my name is Triple C. Yes, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the real MVP and I love you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious Eastern dish called abacha. Yes, African salad. I am sure this will be a video you're going to enjoy. So sit back, relax, and watch. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Yes, so guys, to make this abacha or African salad, you will be needing the following ingredients. Yes, you have your fresh fish, you have your momo cow skin, have your oil bean uba. You need your garden egg, you need fresh tomatoes for garnishing, you need pepper, chopped onions, ogiri, nut cubes, roasted ehuru, blended roasted ehuru, blended roasted pepper, little quantity of salt, and that's about that. Of course, I've mentioned more. Slice your onions. This is my oil ready for the main thing. You melt your oil just a little bit on the fire. Don't let it to be so hot, guys. And the next thing, you pour in your ungu water. I didn't include this ungu among the ingredient, guys. I forgot to include that. Give it a stir. You can use akamu for this in place of this, but most people don't like using akamu because it worries the stomach. Next, you put in your ogiri. Give it a good stir. Yes, stir it very well. That is where the magic happens, guys. That is where the magic happens. And the next, dry ingredients. Time for dry ingredients. As you mix, you pour water. I always love the consistency to be this light. Next, you pour in your roasted ehuru. I prefer roasting my ehuru, guys. Like, try it. Roast your ehuru before pounding it. There's this flavor it gives to the abacha. Next, you add in your already blended crayfish. You add in your nut cubes. I had to blend the nut cubes because this dry season to use your fingers, and pieces Maggi can be whoa. Yes. So the next thing, you put in onion, and the next thing that goes in will be uba, dried pepper, and momo, of course. Guys, this particular method, I'm just mixing everything. This is like, I was trying to mix something to just eat. So you put all the ingredients inside it. They have a particular one whereby you have to do the momo mix. I'll be making a video on that much later. You do your momo and uba separately on its own. You do this mixture for it and put it separately, and you do your abacha separate. Then you can, add it as a side to the abacha. But this one, we're mixing everything inside. I already poured in my uba and my kanda, boiled soft momo. Soft momo is the main ish, guys. Next thing, you pour in your wet abacha, already soaked abacha. Give it a good maximum mixing. Give it a maximum mixing, guys, and look at that. Very simple, easy. Our abacha is ready. That is it, guys. Yeah, so if you like, you can warm yours on the fire for just a few seconds, but I wouldn't be doing mine because most time you just mix the abacha so soggy or soft. But if you can manage that, that was why I warmed my oil from the beginning. Yes, so our African salad is ready, guys. Get your plate ready. to dish this out. Food is ready. Very simple and tasty. Time to garnish it. You put in your tomatoes, got an egg, onions, guys. Onion takes this dish to a different level. I promise you, onion takes it to a different level. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Like, I really appreciate it, guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know, like I said, I love you guys. Please, guys, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be the first person to know when I upload a new video. It is free of charge, guys. It is free of charge. Please just share my video, like, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, guys. I love you guys.